Hey there, it's Melody Yan here, and today I'll be discussing what data-driven creative means for the future of advertising. With over 20 billion being spent in programmatic advertising, data-driven creative, also known as programmatic creative, poses a tremendous opportunity for marketers to reach and engage potential customers. Though 30% of this programmatic spend is invested in targeting technologies, brands and advertisers have not yet delivered on the promise of the right message for the right audience. In fact, up to 97% of campaigns lacked a targeted creative for each audience segment. This means that once the ad has successfully reached their customers, a majority of creatives are generic and untailored. Brands and advertisers need to combat the 6 billion waste by delivering personalized messages that truly resonate with customers. So what is data-driven creative? Data-driven creative leverages customer data insights and machine assistance to create personalized ad executions for increased performance and maximum ROI. By activating their data and technology investments, brands and advertisers can cut through the clutter to provide real value to customers, and as a result, achieve high-performing campaigns. In a study briefed by Marketing Dive, 71% of consumers prefer personalized ads. Consumers were nearly twice as likely to click through an ad featuring an unknown brand if the ad was tailored to their preferences. In order to create a more compelling user experience, brands and advertisers must incorporate their targeting capabilities into their messaging. We'll now dive into how to achieve data-driven creative to deliver hyper-relevant messages tailored to the right users at the right time. To better inform your media and creative strategies, leverage the full potential of your ad technologies provided by your demand-side platforms, also known as DSPs, and data management platforms, also known as DMPs. With these insights provided by DSPs and DMPs, marketers can more effectively reach different audiences with messages that are relevant to their interests, needs, and pain points by tailoring custom creatives for each group. Here are a few examples of data points to help segment your audiences in order to customize each ad's messaging. Behavioral data enables targeting based on a user's previous web browsing behavior, including websites visited, page views, clicks, downloads, and video completions. Contextual data enables targeting based on the content viewed by the user, including the content and keywords displayed on the page. Psychographic data provides insight on why customers might buy from you, including personalities, beliefs, values, and lifestyles, and helps to paint a more detailed picture of what motivates your customers. Demographic data provides details on who your customers are, including age, gender, income, marital status, and household size. Geographic data provides information on where your customers are. Geographic location is pivotal for targeting specific regions, especially for global brands to tailor local promotions for each market. First-party data is collected from your own audience and customers. In addition to data provided by DSPs and DMPs, it's important to consider all other data sources available to measure and maximize performance, including campaign performance data, CRM data, social data, and website analytics. With your first and third-party data, build custom audience segments and gain insights about each audience segment to inform your overall marketing strategy. By matching creatives to the audiences provided by DSPs and DMPs, marketers can target their desired customers more precisely, achieve message relevance, and customize creatives that resonate better with each audience segment. To help make the wealth of data from DSPs and DMPs meaningful, brands and advertisers can leverage their tech stack to build unlimited creative variations that appeal to different audience segments. More specifically, ad technologies enable marketers to improve their efficiencies and campaign performance by building, testing, tailoring, and optimizing creatives at scale. The two main approaches are Dynamic Creative Optimization, or DCO, and Creative Management Platforms, or CMPs. Both Dynamic Creative Optimization and Creative Management Platforms create opportunities to boost the impact of the creative. I'll introduce each methodology and how they enable marketers to accomplish data-driven creative. Dynamic creative optimization technologies are similar to ad factories. They use data feeds to generate a large number of creatives on the fly and can use algorithms to optimize ad creatives based on multivariate testing. These automated ad units are commonly used for large direct response campaigns due to their ability to dynamically pull in content like product prices and imagery based on data within the impression. DCO particularly appeals to marketers who require millions or billions of impressions for product remarketing campaigns. Setting up DCO ad units, however, is a major undertaking requiring technical knowledge. DCO vendors typically offer managed services to get their advertisers' campaigns launched. Creative management platforms, on the other hand, are like power tools and enable creative variations to be generated rapidly and to pixel perfection. Building ads in CMPs is similar to the existing production process for digital ads, but it removes the high costs and lengthy turnaround time of building ads. CMPs appeal to creative, production, and ad ops teams who are looking to increase the speed and efficiency in producing data-driven creatives. With their ad tech stack, advertisers can leverage a CMP to replace generic ads with tailored ones that match audience segments in the DMP and optimize creatives using the DSP to find the best creative, media, and data combinations. This DSP, DMP, and CMP trio creates a virtuous optimization cycle, with each technology maximizing the ROI of the others to achieve high-performing programmatic creative. By activating data and leveraging the full ad tech stack, brands and advertisers can achieve better tested and more impactful creatives. Here are a few examples of data-driven creative tactics. Retargeting re-engages customers who have visited your website or abandoned their shopping cart. By delivering ads with content relevant to a website they recently viewed, such as the last product viewed, marketers can heighten brand recall, personalization, and ultimately conversions. Beyond delivering an ad with the last product viewed, marketers should segment their audiences and tailor the messaging based on the level of engagement and how close to conversion they are. A visitor who looks at your homepage once should be targeted with a creative that is benefits-driven and focused on brand awareness, while a user that has visited your website several times and has added an item to their cart should be offered loyalty incentives to bring their purchase over the finish line. Building separate retargeting strategies will further boost the relationship with potential customers. A strong cross-channel and cross-device strategy is not only important to provide a seamless and cohesive experience, but also increasing engagement and conversion metrics. Customers are more connected and sophisticated than ever before and will typically interact with your brand across a number of touchpoints. Track and understand your customers' behaviors as they move across channels and devices, and use these insights to inform the messaging, creative, and overall marketing campaign. Instead of viewing each channel and device separately, look into how they're used in tandem at different parts of the customer journey. Focus on your first-party data for individual interactions and historical transactional data to provide timely and relevant content as customers navigate across channels and devices. Plan and execute tailored messaging using a creative matrix to show how ads vary by audiences across their customer journey. Brainstorm new ways to engage each audience segment and identify opportunities to continually strengthen the relationship with prospects and existing customers. More specifically, appeal to what is top of mind for each audience based on the customer profiles created in your DMP. By visually mapping out each creative using customer insights from your DMP, you'll ensure the data behind each audience matches the right creative message at the right time. Data-driven creative enables brands, agencies, and publishers to deliver personalized one-to-one messages to consumers from the moment they first interact with your brand to the moment they're ready to make a purchase. To increasingly build value for customers and deepen engagement, continue to test and make modifications to your marketing messages. Monitor the creative performance and optimize ads over time to maximize your ROI. By successfully executing data-driven creative, digital marketers can offer more purposeful and relevant experiences, expand customer relationships, and ultimately build long-term brand loyalty and advocacy. If you enjoyed this video and would like to learn how you can implement data-driven creative in your organization, please visit makethunder.com.